Okay, today we are using the Dewalt planer. I think it's the 735 to smooth out this fairly rough cutting board, and hopefully it'll make it beautiful. Ready when you are, honey. Wow, that's pretty amazing. Coolio. How much do you think you took off?
Probably about a 1/16 of an inch.
Oh, well, that's not very much. But did it get I know these darker pieces were really splintery. Oh, they don't feel splintery anymore. Wow, that's pretty impressive.
I could do a little bit more, but
I mean, this feels rough. The grain of that feels rough. But I don't know, would that go away or?
I don't know. I could run it one more time and see.
All right, let's run it one more time. I mean, we're learning here, so. What do you think? Is it any smoother? Or is it just going to be the way the grain is? Oh, no, it's still pretty rough. That would, where the grain is, but the rest of this is really smooth. So maybe it just needs to be sanded?
Maybe so.
Okay. Well, there we are, folks. That's the next stage.